Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So forgive me for the, unflattering look today. My hair is freshly washed, I'm in my PJs, and it is 12:05 a.m. But we are filming this because I wanted to bring you a video today about the new product that Bursa Malaysia has released, and it is pretty interesting. It is called Mirror Learn Trade. It's used to introduce more people to trade into the Malaysian stock market, and we're gonna check it out together. I'm going to do a walkthrough, and it's also like a first impression. So I grew up seeing a lot of YouTubers do first impressions when it comes to makeup products because I'm a girl like that. And yeah, I thought it would be fun to do a first impressions when it comes to a financial product that we can use to learn about stock market investing or trading. And yeah, I've never really checked out anything about this Mirror Learn Trade before besides its promotional video. So let's jump straight in and let's check it out together. See you in the next frame. Okay, so we have gotten our activation link. Let's sign in. I'm pretty excited to see how this goes actually. We are on the welcome page, and they're gonna give us a quick guide, so let's do that. Okay, these are the analysts that we can choose from, and we can see their portfolio values and which investment bank they are coming from. Ooh, look, they are all men. So we just need to choose a trader at this point. And obviously, people would do what people do and choose the guy with the largest portfolio size. And I believe it might be this guy right here, Brian Yo, Afin Huang. Let's choose him. And the following step is to illustrate the current portfolio of our selected trader. You are allowed to mirror the whole portfolio or selected counters only. Okay. Alright. Indicate the amount you wish to mirror. Oh, okay. So these are his actual stock picks, and we can decide to buy how many units in terms of lot sizes. I can see the returns, their current returns, and they are ranked as well. Okay, so that makes a big difference. Let's choose this guy who is having 14.39% return. And let's look at what he is buying. Is that it? Just 3 things? Oh, okay. And newsfeed. So here we can see how the indices are doing. They are all down. The market is in the red at the moment, and you can see what he's doing with his buying and selling here. So he bought some here, sold some here, with just a 2-cent change in price. So as we are getting to know, these are legit trading moves because they are almost intraday trading right here, or just 1 day lead time before he actually sells. So yeah, I guess this is really good for traders to test out the features that are on this platform. I don't really know as an investor how I feel about this, because for investors what we tend to do is we want to check out the fundamentals of the company, that's one. And also we tend to stay invested for longer periods in terms of years. That would mean that what we will be doing with our portfolios is just buying, and if there is no crazy sudden changes in the price, we will just be holding for a pretty long time before we actually start to sell and take some profit. So as a trader, I think this will be quite interesting to check out. As a long-term investor, it is not up our alley. So that's why I think it is pretty interesting how they talk about the analysts as traders, but the participants, they call them top investors. It may be a little bit misleading there. Okay, let's check out this guy. These are the things he is buying. So some of these are pretty recognizable to me. He is heavily in the semiconductor industry this year, since 2018. So yeah, I think I would actually mirror some of his stock picks. Okay, this guy, Kong Se Xiang. Also check out what is going on in the community part here. He's telling us, or like giving us commentary as to what's going on with that particular stock. They even give us updates on the quarterly reports that are coming out this particular night. That's tonight. I like that they're giving us their thought process as to why they're doing certain things. It helps us understand what is going on, and given that this is a learning platform and we can really take our time to gather the information and to process it, that is pretty beneficial to the user. What else can we do here? MLT user guide. So they do have a user guide in the form of an FAQ page, and seems really buggy. That might just be my internet speed. That link led us to a YouTube video about WeWork, so they give you macro context as to what's happening within certain industries or things that they find interesting. Okay, I guess that is it for today. Let me just have a play around with this, and then I will get back to us on how I actually fare in this exercise. And again, I am not a trader. I am definitely a long-term investor, so it will be interesting to see what is the hype about this and whether it is as educational as it is designed to be. So yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep, everybody, so see you in the outro. That is it for this video on the Bursa Marketplace's Mirror Learn Trade website. I will do further digging and check. Yeah, I guess I'm keen to check out the analysts and which companies they are invested into. And I'm not a trader. I am definitely an investor because it takes less time out of my schedule to be an investor, and I enjoy that sort of lifestyle. So I hope you learn something from this video, and if this is something you want to test out, by all means test it out. It's free. It is good because you are only using tokens of 100,000 ringgit, and you can take your time with the learning process and to see why they pick certain stocks, because they actually explain it out to us. So I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Okay, so I lied about going to sleep because I am getting quite interested in figuring this out. So let's check it out together. Let me switch on my screen recording so we can check it out. Okay, so I've checked out all the different analysts and just got a very quick glimpse of their profiles. And the first thing that I'm wondering is actually, are these their actual stock trades? They are using this platform with the tokens, or are they actually using 100,000 ringgit each and generating the sort of returns that they are as shown in the website? So that will be very interesting to find out. I will keep us posted on what it is. I want to try to actually start mirroring the trades, and I want to see what happens. So this guy, I do like his stock picks in particular when it comes to the semiconductor industry. So let's go with this guy, Kong Se-siang, with a 5.44% current return. So let's mirror his portfolio. And we have 100,000 available cash. How many lots would I like to mirror? Okay, let's buy some Pentamaster. So it doesn't help me calculate straight away how much I have in terms of, like, say it doesn't reduce my available cash amount, so we have to do that calculation ourselves. So if I buy 1,000 units of Pentamaster at current price 470, then I'll be spending close to 4,700 ringgit, or let's say if they account for brokerage, I'll be spending more. And yeah, let's just add. Okay, and they give current price versus target price. So analysts like to talk about, oh, the target price for this particular stock is this amount, and yeah. So let's just buy, I want to buy equal amounts of all, but I have to pull out a calculator and all of that, so I'm not so keen. So let's just buy 10 units of all of these stocks that I would want to invest in. So we're looking at Pentamaster, KESM, and Dufu. These are things that I have come across. Let's buy some Revenue Group. So this is definitely not how I invest in shares. I would actually do a portfolio allocation, but since we are trading, let's just go all out and try something new. Do I want some Inari? No, I don't. So I just bought 10 units of the stocks that I currently like. Oh, okay, it does. It shows me the value at the bottom here of how much it would cost me. So let's just start the mirror. And my purchase is complete. So I do have 18,000 ringgit or 18,000 token ringgit invested at the moment, and I have 81,000 ringgit left still. So isn't this fantastic? I have so much money in cash. Fake money. Let's see how this goes. This is day one, and I will keep you all posted on the progress of this. So this is just following their trades, but definitely there is no portfolio allocation tied in with this system because it's not designed that way. But when it comes to being long-term investors, portfolio allocation is one of the most important concepts or aspects of investing that we need to look into. So it should be very different here. Trading and investing. But actually, no, I do think as a trader, you would have to be aware of the percentage of stocks in terms of portfolio allocation. That just makes sense. So yeah, day one, I'll keep you posted. Let's see when the market opens tomorrow, what's the movement of these stocks that I have. And yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that would be it for today and this video. It is, ooh, my hair looks crazy. So I'm gonna go blow dry my hair and really just go to bed after this. It's been a long day. But I hope you like this first impressions. I'm looking at the screen. Oh shit. So I hope you like this first impressions of this Mirror Learn Trade platform, and let's see how we go and how I do as a trader or as a mirrorer, and whether this is really as educational as it sets itself out to be. But yeah, either way, I think it's quite an interesting way to introduce us into the stock market and into Bursa Malaysian stocks. So yeah, I will go to sleep now. Good night, everybody. See you in the next one. Bye.